Okay, hey Sam, I'm in your document and I'm hoping that this is kind of what yours looks like. At the start, it says Earth Day, and then it gives you the directions on choosing four options. And then you can go in and you can choose any four of these. You'll click on a video if you need to, but then it'll tell you if you like click on here. See how this one with the COVID-19, it says go to slide 8, which means that you would then go off to the side here and find slide 8, which is right here. In order for you to type in it, so let's say you chose that one to do, all of them have an activity and they have a slide number going along with it, and you'll choose that from the side here. But when it takes time to go type in there, it should just be like this for you to be able to type in where you click and you can erase all this and you can say my thoughts are and start to type. That should be allowed for you. Same goes for writing a letter. You should be able to go in here. You don't have to do any opening cami. Um, for this one, you're just dragging the X's in to wherever they fit for you. I'm trying to look to see if there's anything like maybe for this one, if you had to draw a picture or upload something. This is where I was saying the text boxes, if you can see up here where the squares with the T, where if you clicked on it, you could make a text box to then type in and write anything next to it. But if you wanted to actually go and upload a picture, um, you would go here and you would choose image, and you could either take a snapshot, so right on your computer you have the camera, so you can hold a picture up in front of your camera on your computer and hit take a snapshot. You can find one by going on the internet or in your Google Drive, or you can upload from your computer with something that you already saved. So it's totally up to you how to do that if this is one that you choose to do. Um, Let me know if yours are not allowing you to just type in here. You should be able just to click and then type. If it's not, try to give me insight as to what yours looks like, so that I can see how to help you fix that, because it should just be ready for you to type in. So let me know, and I will talk to you soon.